Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will show you the Goldco affiliate program, how to join and earn money. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Goldco, you can use the link down there in the video description below so you can get discount and awards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on the Goldco website, what you're going to do is to scroll down right to the bottom, and as you can see, there will be an affiliate sign up that you can click right here, and just click that and you will be redirected to this page where you can see an article that shows you the benefits of the Goldco affiliate program, and also they show you an introduction about what you can get on the Goldco affiliate program and also the benefits. So as you can see, it's 100% free, no cost to join, and also they have payout schedule. There's no cookie length limits, and yeah, etc, etc. You can find all of this right here. So if you want to apply for an account or an affiliate program connection, just click affiliate application right here and you will be redirected to this page. And right here, you just need to fill up all information right here. So for example, your general information, your personal information, your address, your additional information that they request. So as you can see, they only accept US traffic. So if you're outside US, you need to inform them. So you need to use VPN, of course. If you're using, or if you're on other countries, yeah, you will need to accept the terms and condition also. So on the bottom part, you can read the terms and condition, and after filling all the information, just click apply and just wait until your application is submitted, and just also wait for the Goldco support program or media team to review your application and accept your application. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can join and earn money from Goldco affiliate program. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.